Good day, ma'am, sir. This is Almana Restaurant. John Philip Navida speaking. May I know who's on the line?
I'm John Lloyd Grayson. I would like to have a dinner
In what
reservation.
specific date, Sir Lloyd?
We will come to your restaurant September 22.
What time will you be dining with us, Sir Lloyd?
I think 9 o'clock the evening.
May I know how many people are going?
I need a reservation for two
Okay, sir.
person
I'll just
only.
check if there's no other reservation on the coming. I'm glad to inform you that the specific date that you've been giving to us is free. You have a table for two. May I know your contact details, sir?
Amares, Block 25, Lot 5 in City of San Jose del Monte.
Alright,
Amar
your dinner reservation for two is on September 22 at 9 o'clock in the evening. Your address is Amaresa 2, Block 25, Lot 5 in CSJEM. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, that's right.
Okay po, your dinner reservation is noted. Is there anything else that I can help you, sir?
I would love to have a glass of caffeine for our
Of
drinks.
course, sir,
I
and
would
our restaurant is located on Panganiban Drive, Naga City. It's my pleasure, sir. Thank you for choosing Almana Restaurant. We'll be expecting you on September 22 at 9 o'clock in the evening. Have a good day, sir, and bye.